In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get promo code for TikTok Shop. If you've ever wondered how to snag easy discounts without hunting for random codes, this is for you. TikTok Shop makes it simple by offering built-in coupons you can claim and use automatically at checkout, so you don't have to memorize or type anything in. First, open your TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll need an active account to access shop features and save coupons to your profile. Once you're in, head to the shop section. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a shop tab or a shopping bag icon. Tap it to enter TikTok Shop, where you can browse products, see deals, and, most importantly, access coupons. Inside the shop, look for the coupons area. It's usually easy to spot, often highlighted near the top of the page. Tap Coupons to open your coupon hub. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see daily coupons you can claim with a single tap, along with extra coupons that appear for special events, limited time deals, or specific categories. When you see a coupon you want, just tap. Claim. That's it. The coupon is saved to your account and ready to use when you shop. A quick tip: always check the details on each coupon. You'll usually see the discount amount, the minimum spend if there is one, the expiration date, and any product or shop restrictions. Some coupons are store-wide, while others work only on certain items or brands. If a coupon says it's valid today, try to use it before it resets. Daily coupons refresh regularly, so it's worth checking back often to grab new ones. Now, when you're ready to buy something, just shop as usual. Add your items to your cart and proceed to checkout. TikTok Shop will automatically apply the best eligible coupon from your saved list. You don't need to copy or paste a promo code. If an item qualifies, the discount will appear on the payment screen before you place the order. If nothing shows, it usually means the item doesn't meet the coupon's conditions or the coupon has expired. That's all you need to do. Open your TikTok account, navigate to Shop, tap Coupons to claim your daily and extra offers, and let the system apply them automatically when you check out. Keep an eye on expiration times and minimum spend requirements to get the most out of every purchase. Happy saving and enjoy your TikTok Shop discounts.